There is a large number of cubes in a bag. Jason wants to work out an estimate for the number of cubes in the bag. It takes a random 10 cubes from the bag. He puts a mark on each cube and then puts each cube back in the bag. Jason shakes the bag and then takes a random 20 cubes, and there is a mark on 3 of the cubes. We're going to start with just associate the number of cubes in the bag as being n. So this is number of cubes in the bag. We don't know what that is. But because the same bag is picking it from, the proportion are going to be the same. So we've got 10 out of n number of cubes. That is going to be the same as the second time round, where he had 3 out of 20. So those two are in the same proportion, and if we then work out n, we would have 3 over 20, 3 over 20, actually we would have 10 divided by 3 over 20. And that would give us 66.666. So because we've been asked to do the estimate, because of the word estimate, it means that we can either say, well, n could be 66 or n could be 67. If you've done statistics, this is a Petersen capture recapture formula. So another way you can think of this is using the Petersen capture recapture formula. So we could have n is a number, or n is a population. M is the total marked on first visit. In this case, you could say, well, M was 10. And then we have M is the total recaptured. And this is a this is a small letter M. And finally, we have N. So total recapture was, in this case, 20. And we have N, which is number recaptured on the second visit. So number recaptured on second visit, which is 3. And then if we use the formula, we have M over N equal M, small letter m, total captured, over N. N is going to be, if we make N the subject, we would have this expression or equation. So we would have 20 times by 10. So we've got 10 times by 20, because m is 20 here. And then we're dividing that by 3. So that would give us 200 divided by 3. Which is back where we started, which is 66.6 recurring. And the answer is either 66 or 67. There is another way you could have done this without a calculator. You could say, well, from 3 to 10, I'm timesing that by 3.3. So it means I'm going to times 20 by 3.3. And 20 times 3.3, recurring actually, is going to be 66.6. Which brings us back to the answer. N is either 66 or N is 67.